You have to come with branding ideas. You have to brand the projects. You have to brand verticals. I would always advise you guys to keep on studying some of the kind of developers over here. In last 4 to 5 years, these developers have come from nowhere and have become large. That is one of these Lodas. He has used very careful marketing strategy he has used, and he has basically now, you can call mind share. 95% of the home buyers mind share, or maybe even more than that, 98% of home buyers or office buyers mind share is today this guy is having, Loda. So he basically changed his corporate logo, he introduced various logos as well as various brands for his various sub products he introduced. Then he changed the way you reach to the customers, all of that. So that is something which is a kind of a case study. Change your mindset, and while changing your mindset, do this marketing and branding efforts, but at the same time don't hesitate in taking help of experts. Introducing quality control and customer care practices. Have you seen that these days so many developers, like for example Godrej today and L&T, Godrej actually is doing, they are putting cameras on the site and you can actually see whether your building is getting constructed or not. What is this? This is basically being more responsible to your end customer. And if you are responsible to your end customer, obviously the private equity investor is going to be happy because he is also able to see the kind of a progress over there. Creating a panel of external advisors, legal, technical, regulatory, marketing, branding, financial and human resources. A dedicated ERP advisor is also something which is required. But I need a enterprise resource planning related help is required, and for that I have certain preferred names with me. Proposing a decision support system structure, DSS. Decision support system is that way quite regularly used in other industries. But developers, as they themselves take decisions in a very haphazard manner, they have not been using it. Particularly land acquisition, etc. is one of the worst areas where you can actually think of even implementing decision support system. But at least the areas where you are giving a construction contract, or you are doing a facility management, or you are doing managing a project management, or doing a project or something, their decision support system structure is important. Or in some cases you are procuring a few things. For that it can be used. So project management softwares actually stop at a certain level. But project management softwares, they will help you in designing that particular project, how it can be done in a certain way. But decision support system basically goes one step ahead, where they are scanning market, collecting information, and that information used to take decisions. So you can say advanced project management system, and putting together a succession plan. कल को आप मर गए तो क्या, ये सुनना किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, ये क्वेश्चन. बट ऐसे प्राइवेट के लिए पूछते हैं कि साहब आप तो बात कर रहे हो, आप 75 ईयर ओल्ड हो फिर भी आप चेयर पे बैठे हुए. कोई डेवलपर को पूछेगा कल सुबह आप यहाँ ऑफिस में आ ही नहीं पाओगे क्योंकि आप यहाँ नहीं वहाँ हो, तो मैं क्या करूँ आपका. उसको सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, ये ऐसे क्या बात कर रहे हैं. बट ये क्वेश्चंस पूछने पड़ते हैं. द वे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पीपल आस्क यू वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस कि कल आप नहीं रहेंगे तो आपके छोटे छोटे बच्चे और आपकी बीवी का क्या होगा. प्राइवेट इक्विटी इन्वेस्टर के सामने भी वही सवाल रहता है. ओनली थिंग इट इज नॉट इंश्योरेंस, इट इज ओनली इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हाट ही हैज डन. एंड देयरफॉर ही वांट्स टू नो कि कल आप चले जाओगे तो आपका बेटा बैठेगा कि प्रोफेशनल कोई रहेगा कि क्या करेगा. तो मैं तो आपको 100, 200, 500, 1000 करोड़ आपको दे चुका होगा, फिर मेरा क्या होगा. That idea and that needs to be done. Many cases they will even insist on having a will and everything in place before they are funding for a certain project. They say ये सब चीजें होनी चाहिए, and their legal advisors would force you to do all this. So putting together a succession plan. So prepare for the worst and hope for the best. The private equity investor would land up with all sorts of difficult questions, but then in that case that is something which is important, which needs to be kept. Look beyond the business plan. Due diligence by a private equity investor go beyond business plan and operation. Cross-checking with other developers, other private equity investors, debt financiers. You will do cross-checking with everybody. Cross-checking with service providers such as architects, engineers, real estate agents. They will ask that how this guy, is a good developer, is a good paymaster, is he a good client? All these questions are there. There are some examples where it is known that private equity investors, before sealing a deal, they will take their customer out. And they will take the customer to the most fancy restaurant in the town. Deal is done. Everything is basically decided in office. It is to be signed. 2-3 days prior to that, or maybe 2 days prior to that, they will invite the developer or the guy who is seeking funding for a dinner. They will keep on keenly observing. That is a team of 2-3 people. One person's job is to just go on observing how this guy behaves. The moment he lands up at the porch from the car till he goes. Keeps on observing. These guys are basically, you say body language, they are excellent readers of body language. This guy, how he behaves with his own driver, how he behaves with the waiter, how he behaves with the cashier and all other people. Everything is observed. Because he may be very gracious to you because you are funding, or he may be gracious to clients and other people, but he may not be gracious to all his employees and other things. Those things are also noticed very, very carefully. So if you are very brash in your attitude, you like to basically insult, go on continuing insulting your employees and other such kind of thing, and those employees also बिचारा accept करके ले रहा है क्योंकि उसको कोई alternative नहीं है. But for a private equity guy, he has alternative. He will walk out. He will understand this guy can't even treat his employees or his other people in a proper way. There are some lessons to be taken. If he thinks that these lessons are important, he will walk out from the deal. So this is basically what this slide means. That they always look beyond the business plan. They will look the way you behave, the way you respond to a certain situation. Googling to find negative feedback. They themselves Google. At the same time, professional Googling agencies are there. Googling means I'm just using it as a kind of a searching agencies. That they can conduct internet search and can come up with all sorts of information about a certain body, about a certain person. They can find some hidden cases or anything which is probably not told, that they will be able to find कोई criminal case अगर कहीं पे registered है, वो भी उनको मालूम पड़ता है. So they have to go, when they take so much of care, and they have to go beyond it. Last but not the least, the developers should solve pending issues with customers, financiers and other service providers. जितना हो सके उतना अपनी सामान्य लैंग्वेज में उसको बोलते हैं मांडवली करके जितना हो सके उतना खत्म करना चाहिए. If your plans are really big, then you are fighting for 5 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees somewhere. As a principle, if you are correct, that's okay. But if you are having a petty fight, it's better to remove all that. जितना हो सके उतना सामने वाले से एडजस्ट करके लो. All these things, you may be correct also in some cases, but there is no adding as a negative point. There are some developers who proudly say that we have done land acquisition for since last 40-50 years. Land acquisition के चलते हमारे पे एक भी केस नहीं. That some people consider as a kind of an epitome of their success. That is the example which they want to put. That हमने land कभी भी clear ही acquire किया, एक बार भी केस नहीं होने दिया. Problem आया तो छोड़ दिया land पास तो नहीं करने का. But some people think that way. Some people say that कि we pay our suppliers exactly on the 15th day of delivery. एक दिन इधर उधर हुआ तो हम अपने आदमी को वहाँ पे बोलते हैं. So these are some of the industry standards some people set for themselves. And these are the kind of industry standards which private equity respects. You may be from an informal kind of a field which is now getting formal, but the yardsticks which are getting applied are many times from a successful industry. Like उसने IT को अगर funding किया रहेगा तो IT के yardsticks अलग है. He will not help, but he will try to put those yardsticks also. So you have to be clear. Be a socially responsible corporate by involving into social and community welfare projects. Adopt environment-friendly construction practices like green buildings. Most of the developers today would like to go for green building because उनको ये पता है green building is also environment-friendly, pocket-friendly in the long term. At the same time, private equity investments, they see these particular things very kindly. They want to see these things are seen in a good light. That is a responsible corporate. And some private equity, they have internal principles that they will not fund something which is not a green building or which is not environment friendly. Like K-Raja Corp, today they do all their IT projects and all their retail projects are green buildings. Residential they are still yet to adopt that, but commercial and retail they are doing all green. Having a nice and clean corporate must create a strong public relationship department. Negative feedback and all that, that is something if it happens, then you have to take steps to clear that particular part. Or you have to go on responding to the press, etc. in a timely and a proper fashion. That is important. Having a nice and clean corporate important image is important than ever before.